Are you worried about your privacy online? If you've been using the snipping tool on Windows 11, chances are your privacy could be at risk. Recently, a major security flaw was discovered in Google's markup image editing tool, dubbed Acropolis, that can retrieve partial data from cropped or edited images. The security breach has been a secret for 5 years until just recently, when Google issued a fix, but if you've shared screenshots in the past 5 years with the snipping tool, your privacy could be compromised. In this video, we'll go over what you can do to protect yourself from the Acropolis vulnerability, plus the technical details of the flaw, the demo tool created by the researchers, and more. The vulnerability exists because markup saves edited image files in the same location as the original file, leaving some data from the original file intact. This remaining data is accessible with a reverse-engineered exploit, meaning images shared in the last 5 years could potentially be at risk. And it's not only Google Pixel using this exploit, as shared screenshots done with Windows 11 Snipping Tool and Windows 10 Snip and Sketch are also vulnerable. Security researcher David Buchanan tested a modified version of the exploit on Windows 11 and found that he was able to recover most of the original image. It's important to note that while some platforms, such as Twitter, strip images of the trailing data when they're uploaded, others, such as Discord, do not, or at least they didn't until recently. To illustrate this, researcher Simon Aarons uploaded a cropped image of a credit card with its number blacked out to Discord and used the exploit to recover around 80% of the original image, which included the redacted numbers. So, what can you do to protect yourself and your privacy? Well, one option is to avoid using any built-in screenshot editing tools, and opt to crop your images with a third-party tool instead. As for Windows 11, Buchanan suggests using Snipping Tool version 11.2302.20.0, which appears to have fixed the problem. Keep in mind this version isn't available for regular users, and must be manually installed. We hope this video has been informative and has given you an understanding of the Acropolis vulnerability, and how it could affect you. Be sure to take all the necessary steps to protect your privacy and keep your information secure.